Smoked him. One shot, baby. 300 yards on the dot. Whew. There's 5 of them. Oh man, I'm shaking. Oh baby, man, sun came out. Whew. I was way down on that corner, spotted them, bedded down in here. Yeah, walked down in the river, up behind like this drainage, side hilled all this rocky crap, dropped back down, had to way down in this valley there, come all the way back up this stuff, come down here. I like had to like army crawl across this stuff, and then I kept seeing them right down here. Like there's another one right there. There's been 6 of them. There's 6 of them. Woo, baby! Excited. Yeah, I saw him tipped out big time. So let's go get him. Oh man, sure do love this scenery. Whew. Gorgeous mountains. Sun came out a little bit. Hiked my butt off. Boom! Just shot a beautiful ram. Oh baby. Oh yeah. Golly. It happened so perfect. Yeah, he's 8 for sure. Possibly 9. I count 9, but you never know. Super light colored horns. Oh yeah, flares up high. Way past full curl. Past stick test, everything. One shot, $2.99 on the dot. Dropped him. Whew, he was with 6 other rams. It couldn't have worked out literally any better. That hill way down there. I was working my way up this river, popped up on it. Looked up in here and they were all bedded kind of on these rocks here. Just chilling. The thermals were starting to switch. So I didn't want them to come up the drainage and spook them. So I ended up cutting way up this side in this like little cut, and then worked through all this freaking nasty rock, came all the way across, dropped down in this other ravine. I had to gain all my elevation back, pretty much popped up on top of these hills, and then I spotted them, and some of them are feeding down in the rocks. And then I only saw 3 of them for a long time. So I had to reposition. I ended up pretty much army crawling across this stuff and then got up right up on that little lip there. And then was watching him, making sure he was good to go. He gave me the warm and fuzzies. I had a feeling when I saw him way back there, I saw him tip out good. So I was pretty confident, but I'm super happy. Oh, beautiful ram. Golly, he's got a gorgeous coat on him. Big old chunker, man. Wow. So happy. All cut up with the cape. I just left the head on for now. Everything all cleaned up. Got all the meat in here. Yep, it's gonna suck. Gotta put all this crap in there. Whoo! Head down there. Yeah, it's like 3 o'clock. Shot him at like 12:15. Started raining a little bit on me. Just really. It's kind of something off. Hopefully I can get down. Ooh, baby. Well, I didn't make it very far. Way too heavy. I deboned it all, which I should have up there, but it started raining, so I was trying to hurry. Whoo, yeah. Way too heavy. I still got a ways to go. This rock sucks too. It goes super slow. Made it back. Oh man, what a trek. Quite the load. Way up and around there's a big old glacier. And it's way up on the top. Got the meat hanging over there for now. Got some beef stroganoff cooking and some tea. Thanks, sweetie. Hit the sack. I'm tired. Well, I'm glad I got my sheep yesterday. We're socked in. I wouldn't have been able to see anything until all this fog lifted. Oh man, alive. I was pretty stinking sore last night. Little stretch sesh this morning, get my body loose. Start packing up. Gotta bring all my gear down, kind of down around that big corner to the Ranger. I'll come back and grab all the meat. Threw the meat up underneath the tarp. Bent the tree down. It's all hanging underneath there. Shoo-wee! That's good sheep hunting weather right there. There used to be mountains right here. I don't know where they went. Packing up. Getting out of here. Oh, baby.